First of all, let me show you that someone is selling this course for 141 euros. You can see like uh, all these courses, these are included. Say these are the list of courses. There are so many courses. He's selling for 141 euros, which we are giving only for 400 rupees. Unbelievable price. Let me show you. You will get this PDF with all the links. There will be nine links, and you can see here. This will be the link. See, Nation, 933 GB. See, these will be the courses inside. There are so many courses. Even say Iman Ghazi, you can see where here it was. Let me show you one video. Oh, it's downloading. I will show another one. See this one, 4.25 TB. Link, second link is here. You can see everything. The size is written in front of the folders. Third link is this one. All these are video courses. Nothing is fake here. You can see. You can download these also. Then we have this one, 1.29 TB, 4.25 TB, 303 TB. Then we have these courses here. Nothing is fake. Everything is a video, full HD video courses. You can see. See all premium apps, digital marketing courses, premium data, Shopify theme, free money clips, luxury car, reels bundle, YouTube mastery courses. Then here we come, Iman Ghazi, Luke Ballmer, YouTube AI, and Mutate. So you can see nothing is fake, everything is genuine. And he's selling it for 141 euros, and we are giving just for 399.